what is human design really? Okay, so you've probably heard the term human design floating around and thought, wait, what is this? Is it like astrology? Is it some kind of personality test? Honestly, I had the same reaction at first. But here's the thing, human design is actually way more practical than it sounds, and you can use it in your everyday life. So what is it really? Human design is kind of like a map of how your energy works. It pulls from different systems like astrology, the chakras, the I Ching, and even a bit of modern science, and puts it all together into something unique for you. And instead of telling you who you should be, it shows you how you naturally work best. Think of it like an instruction manual or a path that you never got when you were born. And here's the cool part. It gives you your energy type and your decision-making style. So, for example, if you're a generator, you're built to respond to what lights you up and not to force things. And if you're a projector, you thrive when you're invited to share your insights instead of pushing them. And that might sound small, but in daily life, it's huge. It can explain why some things feel energizing and why others totally drain you. It's not because you're doing life wrong, it's just how your energy is designed to work. So how do you actually use this? Well, pretty simply, when you're deciding when to say yes or no, you use your strategy and authority. And when you notice certain people or environments make you feel tired, it's often right there in your chart. And honestly, it gives you permission to stop trying to live or work the same way as your friends or coworkers. It's like having a cheat code for your own energy. So really, human design isn't about putting you in a box. It's about showing you how to move through life with less resistance and more ease. And if you've ever thought, why do I feel different from everyone else? Well, human design might just explain it. And even better, it shows you how you can actually use that difference to your advantage. So are you ready to be inspired? You can join my community. I'll put the link in the description below, and you can learn more and be part of my community. Thank you.